Welcome to PrimePay. Learn how to easily make a single RTGS payment as a transaction maker through this tutorial. Log into PrimePay and select the RTGS transaction option from the menu. Select the account from which you want to send the money. Next, select the checker for your transaction. Then select the authorizer for your transaction. Enter the credit amount, account number and account name. Select the beneficiary's bank and branch for the transaction. Mention the purpose of your transaction to help track it easily in the future. Providing email and mobile number is not mandatory. If you need to send money to the same beneficiary frequently, save them as a beneficiary. Once all the information is confirmed, select Create Batch, click OK and complete your transaction. This is how you can easily make RTGS transactions through PrimePay.